Fish! Some fish can recognize faces, even those of other fish. Blue tang fish. Blue tangs can play dead by lying still and changing color when scared. Clownfish. Clownfish talk by clicking their teeth together underwater. Crab. A crab's shell doesn't grow, so it must find a new one every few months. Squid. A squid can change color in a blink to match its surroundings. Lobster. Lobsters taste with their legs and chew with their stomachs. Starfish. Starfish don't have blood. Their bodies use seawater instead. Sawfish. Sawfish use their long, toothy snouts to sense hidden prey in the sand. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs borrow snail shells and sometimes even decorate them. Turtle. Turtles can breathe through their bottoms while resting underwater. Blue tangfish. When blue tangs sleep, they hide in coral like they're tucking into bed. Seal. Seals can sleep underwater and automatically pop up to breathe. Duckling. Ducklings learn to swim just hours after hatching. Ducks can see almost all the way around their heads, nearly 360 degrees. Walrus. A walrus's tusks never stop growing. They help it climb out of icy water. Snail. Snails can nap for 3 years straight when it's too dry. Stingray. Stingrays flap their fins like wings. They're the birds of the ocean floor. Penguin. Penguins propose with pebbles. Giving one means, let's be partners. Crab. Crabs communicate by drumming their claws like tiny percussionists. Caterpillar. A caterpillar eats so much it can grow 100 times its size before turning into a butterfly. Dolphin. Every dolphin has a unique whistle, like a name. Octopus. An octopus can taste with its arms and escape through holes the size of a coin. Penguin. Penguins have waterproof feathers coated in special oil to stay dry and warm. Polar bear. Polar bear's fur looks white, but it's actually transparent. Anglerfish. Anglerfish use a glowing lure on their head to trick prey in the dark, deep sea. Pufferfish. A pufferfish's spines pop out like armor when it inflates. Seahorse. Seahorses can hold on to seaweed with their curly tails like little hands. Frog. A frog can jump over 20 times its body length. Super jumper. Whale. Whales sing songs that can travel hundreds of miles through the ocean. Shark. Sharks can detect one drop of blood in an Olympic-sized pool.